Hey guys, a video on American Eagle Outfitters. I think this is the stock that someone asked. He said American Outfitters. I think it's this one. I'm on the monthly, so each candle is a month. This chart goes from 1995 to now. But basically I'm gonna stay here because we have been going sideways since 2007, okay? You can see clearly 5 waves here though, and in the 5th wave also nice. 5 waves to the upside, in the 3rd 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. So really nice actually. Then this, I label it like this, ABC. We did not quite reach this 1-to-1 fib, but that's okay, we are within like the 618 already, we passed it. Then here I'm just thinking about this could be another 1-2 here. We took the low here, this low we took here. But like it's a correction that only reached the 618, I think, yep. Like this, and as support fibs, the 786. It's a dividend paying company. I don't know what they do, but I guess something with clothes. American Eagle Outfitters is maintained at market performed by it. So the thing is, yeah, the past, since 2023, there has really not been any revenue growth. Before it, I don't have a lot of data, I can't go back. But maybe if I check here. I mean, it's increasing, you can see 1 billion, but of course money is worth less nowadays. It's increasing, but like now lately, if you look year on year, it's just, yes, stable, and now quarterly as well, like no growth. They have now also a lot of debt, like more debt than equity. I wonder why. What are they working on? So this has increased the capital expenditures, property, plants, equipment, blah blah. Which is a good thing if this gives a return in like money. And we can see that here they have solid return of invested capital. I don't know what happened here, bad quarter I guess. But again, I'm not an expert in this, so if anyone else knows more, feel free to comment down if I'm wrong. Inventory has declined now, again risen, maybe because, yeah, people can't afford that much anymore, I guess. So with those things in mind, let me quickly check. Yeah, retailer, okay. Yeah, so more employees, so maybe indeed that debt is for maybe opening more stores, etc. But yeah, this you can look for yourself, okay? If you look at the chart, yeah, it's really looking actually like a nice chart. Just this ABC here is a bit weird because the C wave is so short, but okay, could be the B wave is also not so high, so, and we took the low, so I'm leaning towards, yeah, this scenario. Also volume is increasing, we want to see higher volume in the 3rd wave. So maybe potentially we are in this third wave now. Still early stages, so you could still enter here. And if I pull a target box for that wave 3, it would be here. Oops. Like this, so that's a 6x from where we are now. Not 5x, 5.5, but we can stretch and then it would be maybe 10x even. So can't say that, can't know that, but this is the monthly. Okay, so we have here this red candle. Generally these, and you have like a sequence of green candles and then like a red in between. That's a nice zone of support. Okay, this one didn't do really anything when we went down, but maybe it's because it's the monthly. I never checked the monthly. Yeah, like this it doesn't look nice. Yeah, I'm just trying to find like a support zone or like a place where you can put a stop loss if you should enter now. Maybe just starting from this 5th wave top here, a zone like this. This would be the point of control of this whole range since 2007. Hey, this is actually really nicely looking stock. And also, yeah, I don't have any, I just have Nike for like clothing or something, nothing else. You can see highest volume here. Maybe it's gonna do a little bit of a correction soon. If it's gonna be, if this is a 1 2 1 or like a 1 2 3 4 5 now, maybe it's gonna dip a little bit, but I think as long as we stay above this, we can focus on higher, above this point of control of this whole range. And that's, yeah, 30% to the downside from where we are now. Should we top this week, then we have bearish divergence here, but I don't think, I think we're gonna take it. But for me to enter this, for myself personally, I think I'm gonna wait for a better opportunity, because like now it's already doubled since June. Okay, April it was really dipping still. I think, where is April? Or like it was here ranging. Yeah, so it's been lagging a bit, but now it has been pushing. If I put fibs like this, because we have potentially a 5-wave move to the upside, yeah, like just this area is interesting. If we come back here, should we come back here? But we already back tested it here with this, and you can see point of control, and we're back to the upside. So yeah, depending on how much you want to risk, you could enter already a trade here, put your stop loss like below this 0.5 up, and then at least try to ride to this wave 1 high. Would give you a risk reward of 2. Of course, because you take a lot of risk here. Okay, like risk, your stop loss is pretty deep. Monthly still has room, but again, I really barely look at the monthly, so your weekly could reset 2 weeks and then already start to go up, and your monthly would be just flat then, you know. So yeah, really, I can't say anything else than, if we keep above this, we can focus on higher to enter a position. Yeah, now it's a bit riskier than if price was here. Okay, if I had discovered this stock here, and if I saw this backtest happening with after this breakout, yeah, this was a nice buy. You could, yeah, put your stop loss maybe like 1% below, or like maybe here we have this breakout here, starting here, you could maybe have put it below that, and then you buy at the point of control. Then you would only, yeah, risk 8%. Okay, and then an upside of 160, and then you have a 20 risk reward ratio compared to 2.5 if you pull it like this. So I'm gonna add this to my list, but it's something I have an eye on. I don't own yet, but I might buy it. It's also a dividend paying company, so yeah. Also, I don't expect this one then to go down to zero, because it's, yeah. I'm not from America, but I think a lot of people will keep buying stuff. I just don't, I'm like confused. Is this the name of the store, or do they own like other brands and other stores? Yeah, whatever, that doesn't matter. That's for another video, or like for yourself, you can do research about who they exactly are. But I'm just saying people are gonna keep buying clothes, so don't think this is gonna go down to zero, especially if like in a few years the economy, if it gets better, it might, yeah, boost this as well. So yeah, below us watch 14.50, this point of control of this whole range, together with, yeah, 15.22, 13.85, 12.60, if we should, yeah, go that deep. This might also have been a 1 and a wave 2, and now we're gonna pump, but yeah, we need to see volume for that. Because the volume here is so high, I'm leaning towards, yeah, this was maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna correct, and then if we do that, I'm gonna enter this one maybe. If we do this, and if I get another opportunity, I might enter it. But for now, I keep an eye on it, and I keep it on the sidelines. But yeah, thank you for the suggestion. Really nice looking chart. I talked a bit too much, I think. But yeah, hope it helped you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.